Welcome to your tower garden setup tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through setting up your tower garden in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, remove the access port lid to reveal the reservoir. This will allow you to fill the reservoir with water and add the necessary mineral blends. Next, fill the reservoir with water until it reaches the appropriate level. Before adding nutrients, put on gloves to protect your skin from the mineral blends. Now, take the bottle labeled A. Measure the correct dosage, 120 milliliters for the US and Canada, or 60 milliliters for Europe. Pour the measured mineral blend into the reservoir. Next, repeat the process with the bottle labeled B. Use the same dosage, 20 milliliters per gallon for US or Canada, and 1 milliliter per liter for Europe. Pour the mineral blend into the reservoir. Do not mix parts A and B together, as this can change the efficiency of the nutrients. Set the pump timer. For outdoor use, press the button once. For indoor use, press twice. The display will show I for indoor or O for outdoor. Plug the pump into the timer to complete the setup. Turn on the pump and check the water flow at the top of the tower garden. Once confirmed, secure the shower cap lid or LED lights in place if growing indoors. Finally, test the pH levels. Fill the vial with 5 milliliters of water from the reservoir. Add 5 drops of the pH test solution and compare the color to the chart. Ensure the pH is between 5.5 and 6.5. Your tower garden is now set up and ready to grow. Enjoy your gardening.